I'll be honest, when I first heard about a portable AC that could actually cool a large room, I was skeptical. Most units are just loud fans that push hot air around. But after testing this 16,000 BTU portable AC in my own home, my perspective completely changed. If you're tired of sweating through the night in a stuffy bedroom, this is the reality check you need. First, it's a 5-in-1 powerhouse. It doesn't just cool, it dehumidifies and circulates air, so you don't get those annoying hot spots. Second, the smart Wi-Fi integration is a game changer. I love being able to pre-cool my office from my phone before I even walk in. And finally, the sleep mode. It operates under 42 decibels. That's quieter than a library, meaning you actually get a full night's rest without the roar of a jet engine. Best of all, it's completely drainage-free thanks to the self-evaporation system. You can grab one through the link in my description. Inventory has been moving fast, so if you want to beat the next heat wave, I'd check it out sooner rather than later.